Welcome to this tutorial on building and testing Java projects with Maven. Maven is a powerful tool that helps you manage your project's dependencies, build your project, and run tests. It simplifies the process of building, testing, and running your code, making it easier for you to focus on coding. To get started, you will need to install Maven on your system. You can download Maven from the Apache Maven website and follow the installation instructions for your system. Once you have Maven installed, you can create a new Java project using the Maven Archetype Quick Start template. This will give you a simple project to start with, including a basic Java class, a test class, and a POM. Small file. The POM small file is where you will define your project's dependencies and configuration. You can add dependencies by adding them to the Dependencies section of the file, using the appropriate grouped, artifacted, and version information for the dependency you want to add. To build your project, you can run the mn package command from the command line. This will compile your code, run tests, and package. You can also run your tests using the mn test command. This will execute your unit tests and report the results. Maven also includes several plugins that you can use to customize your build process. For example, you can use the Maven compiler plugin to customize the compiler settings for your project. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of building and testing Java projects with Maven. We looked at how to install Maven, create a new Java project, define project dependencies, build and test your code, and customize your build process using plugins. Thanks for watching and happy coding!